How to fix call receive not showing on screen in iPhone. So if you have an incoming call on your iPhone and now you are receiving the call, but you discover that the call receive is not showing on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So let's say you have an active call just like this, and once you pick up the call receive failed to come up on your iPhone screen. Then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix call receive not showing on screen in iPhone, all you just need to do is when you have the active call like this, locate the time at the top left and then click on it. Once you click on the time at the top left, this is going to pop the call screen like this, and then you can continue the call. So this works most on all iPhones, so that when you have an active call screen and you pick it, you will see the call screen page, and now you discover that the call screen is no longer showing. The only way you can bring this back to your iPhone screen is locate the time at the top left and then click on it. You see that? It's going to bring back the call screen. If you swipe down notification center, you will not have access to the call screen. If you swipe down control center, you will not have access to the call screen. So you can only come here, change the call voice isolation either to automatic, standard voice isolation, and then wide spectrum. So the only way to return back to the call screen is by clicking on the time at the top left. So just need to make sure you click on the exact time, and once you click on it, you'll be taken back to the call screen. So that is basically how to fix call receive not showing on screen in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.